Imagine this: every time you sneeze, you hop into an entirely different timeline. Welcome to the whimsical world of Sneezeportation. Picture yourself in the middle of a meeting, you feel that tickle in your nose, and suddenly, you're in a pirate ship in the 18th century. With each sneeze, you leap into a new reality, each timeline offering fresh perspectives and challenges. This forms the basis of the philosophical concept we're calling temporal tickle theory. It invites us to ponder the nature of existence when every moment could lead us to a drastically different life. How does one maintain a sense of self when each sneeze resets the narrative? Is identity a constant, or does it shift like our timelines? In this sneeze-driven universe, the sneeze is both a catalyst for adventure and a reminder of life's unpredictable nature. So, do you have a tissue handy, or are you ready for the next timeline leap?